All right, so harvesting the outdoor. This is the outdoor KUSH. I mean OG KUSH actually. Royal Queen seeds. Look at it. Just cut this branch. Look at that. This thing is perfect. Check the trichomes also. I have a microscope. Put some pictures up. They're perfectly cloudy. Look at that. This plant is absolutely beautiful. Look at this. This bucket right here is just water and baking soda. Just because I had a little bit of powdery mildew, and these are outdoors, so all sorts of, bugs and leaves and all that. So do this, just let it drip dry like that, and move it over to a bucket of just regular water. This is just out of the sink, it's just regular water. Just kind of shake it around in there for 15 seconds. Pick it up, let it drip. Shake it off a little, okay. And then I'm gonna put it right on here for now, till later. Then I'll set it up on a drying rack. Okay, so far, look at this. I'll just give you size reference. I'm a size 11. So this thing is about the size of my shoe. Just one plant. So this is the stem. Pretty thick. And just cut it up. Compost. So this is one plant. Look at this. This is probably gonna be close to a pound of weed here. Look at this. Did the bud washing technique on these also, just because it has some, some PM, some stuff stuck in it. They're outdoor plants, so they get stuck, little like flies and shit that's flying by. But this is probably gonna be about a pound of weed. This is after just a little bit of trimming. Look at this. Again, size 11. Massive. Just look at this bud. Okay, so I'm going to take the last couple of branches that I got here, and I'm just going to kind of give it like a quick once over dry trim thing and then hang it to dry. So I'll show you kind of like what I really go for. I don't really go like too crazy. I mean, whatever I can see like with a stem, I'll just go through and just take off as much as I can of green. So really, that's another thing I kind of try and use. Whatever is green, I usually just cut that off. The closest I can get in to the bud, just to get like the fan leaves off. If I can't see the actual stem, I try and just go in as, like you see this one, I can see the stem, so I can just take that one off from the stem. But other ones that I don't see the stem, I usually just get like right up onto the buds and just clip. So I clip here, I would clip here. So I'll show you over here. I just kind of like go around, take whatever off. Check it out, look at it from the other side. If I see some green still, I usually just go through and just try and take all that off. And then this is what it looks like. So I get these little green plant ties. I have a whole bunch of them cut up into small lengths. I just kind of grab it here, like in the middle, go through, and just tie it off real quick, just like that. Because I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this afterwards. But for now, we're just going to leave it just like this. So this is another branch right here. I'm going to do the same exact thing. Just going to go through and just trim it. I'll show you how I hang it right after this as well. So I have it all tied up on a little plant tie. It goes into this. It's just a drying rack. So I just put it in here. And it ends up sitting just like that. See it? So I stacked them up just like that. Okay, so I have them hanging up in here. I'll show you. This one. I'm gonna try and fix that one up a little bit. Just hanging in here, you see them?